What's going on, guys? Back with you with another unboxing and review video. And if you guys have been waiting for this one, you are right here on time. This is going to be for the Vont night lights. These are the warm color. They also make a cool color as well. I will have both colors linked in the description box below the video. You guys can pick them up there, read more about them, see what other people are saying about them. Each box is one right here, but I have two boxes. Let's go ahead and put the second one out of the way. So if you guys are stumbling in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, if you guys need some night lights for your children, even your pets, your elderly parents, or just yourself in general, then this is going to be a product for you. Let me run a couple specifications by you guys real briefly. The sensor type is a photoelectric sensor, light sensor. We're working at a 60 hertz frequency. Power consumption is 0.5 watt max. LED type is a SMD 3528. LED quality is 4 pieces per unit. And of course, like I mentioned already, this is the warm white at 2800 through 3500K. But before we do get these out, also you guys in the UK, I will have you linked as well if they sell them in the UK. If not, one very similar to it. And also, if you haven't seen the video already, I have already reviewed the Vont bicycle lights. Those are great lights. I put them on my electric motorcycle. You can put them on your bike. Great for nighttime riding. Let's go ahead and slice on open into here. Each box is gonna have 6 LED lights, and these are very small. So what's cool is that let's go ahead and unwrap one of these packages here and show you some of the details here. So each light is gonna have the sensor right here in the middle with, of course, the LED light around. We, of course, will be showing you all the details. Little Vont logo there, AC 120 volt, 60 hertz, maximum 0.5 watt, like we already mentioned. So again, a very simple concept, a 2-pronger right here, 6 total inside the box. Each one is gonna be the exact same thing. So I have 2 boxes, so that's a total of 12. That's going to cover your hallway, that's going to cover your bathroom. So let's go ahead and wait till it gets dark, and then we're going to show you some great examples. All right, guys, let me go ahead and show you. Sorry for a little bit darker of a shot, but obviously we need to capture this. So the Vont night light is plugged in, and again, only 0.5 watts maximum energy, so it's not going to take up much energy. Now, it is still just a tad bit light outside, but as you can see, the kitchen is pretty dark, especially in this little corner here. So it's being able to light up here. Here is the sensor right here with a nice warm glow around the edges here, not sticking too far out of your outlet right there. You are covered up if you use the top one like this. So go ahead and let's see if it works, if we're able to lower that. Yeah, so if we lower that down to the bottom one, we still have access to the top, which is nice. I'll go ahead and leave it down there in the bottom one there. And that is a nice location, especially early morning for coffee, or if you get up in the middle of the night, need some water. Let's go ahead and go to the other room and let me show you. So again, the sensors are very nice. And that's going to get, obviously, when it's completely dark, that's going to look a little bit more brighter, and we'll show you that. So again, because the room is dark, and the natural light is not coming in as much, the room seems darker, and it's actually a little bit darker. This camera does a pretty good job with low light. Anyway, so the sensor clicks on, and after that sensor clicks on, it stays lit. And so definitely put these in your path. For instance, it was very nice when I got up in the middle of the night to use the restroom. Right over here, we actually need to plug in another one over here, but I do have a sensor that automatically triggers in the recessed lighting in the toilet area. Maybe I'll use a different location, but lighting the hallway. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the lights completely dark. Obviously, we do have the bathroom light on there just to give us a little bit of light, so it's not too dark because I am using a phone to film, but there is the light completely lit up. Now what happens is, of course, if you went to go turn on the light, let's go ahead and turn that on now. Might have to flip the other one as well. Yeah, once the sensor picks up the light, so because it's kind of tucked in a little shadow there, but once we hit the right above one, then it turns off there. So let's go ahead and click that back off there. As we can see, 0.5 watts, being able to illuminate the area so that if you get up in the middle of the night, you're not going to stumble and fall. Coming over here is another one that I have in the sidewall here. So let's come around here for a better shot. As we can see, again, they do make a cool color. I like the warm a little bit better, but I'm going to leave that up to you. There's our other one there. Now let's go ahead and go into the front bathroom and show you that. So follow my voice here. We left that light on here, but let's go ahead and come around here. And there is the night light right there for the bathroom, being able to illuminate it if you are going to be using the bathroom. And then coming around to the kitchen, we have this one all the way over there in the corner. And then of course, if you were to turn on the lights, that would turn off. And then if you go like that, automatically flips back on. And again, low power consumption, subtle, not over the top. Well, I like them, guys, and they do a great job. Again, the warm color is my favorite. If you guys want to get your hands on the Vont Nightlight, go ahead and look again in the description box below. But please, guys, just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if it intrigues you and you want to purchase, go ahead and purchase on away. So hit that thumbs up button on your way out and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.